Hey, this is Pete Urich. The other day I ran a session for high school soccer players about the mental game, but at the end of the event, everybody who came got to take home what I'm referring to as a phone coffin. Now, if you or somebody you know has trouble getting their to-do list done because of, infinite scrolling on TikTok or Instagram or whatever it happens to be, this could be a useful tool. I've used it in the past for myself, and it doesn't take long to do. So here, real quick, I'm going to make a phone coffin. All right. Now, here are the items that you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a box. I used to use like the artisan box from like Michael's and stuff like that, but actually just started using cigar boxes instead. If you go to your local cigar shop, if you have one, or a place that sells cigars, they'll usually sell you the boxes at the Beverly Cigar Shop here in Stanton. The more cardboard ones, they'll sell you for about $3. This is about $5. You also need mini legal pad. I got a pack of 3 from the local store for about $3.50. All right, and then the last piece is I use 3M strips. You could use a hot glue gun. You could use Gorilla Glue or something along those lines. Even using a rubber band could possibly work. I like this because of the fact that it's not exactly 100% reusable, but I'll show you exactly what I mean. All right. So, first things first, a little bit of safety. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take a drill and we are going to drill a hole into the end of the box. Now, reason for the hole in the end of the box is to be able to put your charging wire into the box so that while your phone is resting, you have the ability to charge it. Second piece, we're going to take the notepad. All right. And we take our 3M strips and remove plastic stickies. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to face them up so that they are sticking to one another. On the Velcro side, you've got one that is sticking to the back of the pad and one that is sticking to the Velcro. And then take your notepad that has the stickies on it, put it on top of your box, press it down real firm, and the idea is what you do is you write down all of the things on your to-do list and put your phone in, and you can't take your phone out until you get those things on your to-do list done. 100 push-ups, 50 sit-ups, homework assignment that doesn't involve your phone, etc., etc. And then once you crossed everything off your list, then the phone is there and it's recharged. The reason why I like the 3M strips is when you get done with the notebook, you can remove the 3M strips with the notepad and go to a new notepad, sticking it on there. All right. Have a great day, people. Hopefully this helped.